about this, huh?
Yes, I am. I'm at the point where I really don't know what to do here anymore. Hey, Tom, she thinks I'm nuts.
Well,
She thinks I'm nuts. Everybody's breaking my chops here. That there's no spirits. When you come in to go to take a leak, and you're standing there, and all of a sudden, bowls are flushing.
He thinks that spirits follow him.
I'm serious. I'm telling you the truth.
I believe you.
he could still be nuts, but I mean,
That's a lot.
Have you ever seen anything?
not me, but I've heard the stories.
All right. Well, let's go down and see what happens.
I don't think I'm crazy, but some people think I am.
Woman coming through.
This is the urinal here that goes off.
All right.
If I come over here, I'm standing here, going to the bathroom, that thing flushes automatically, and there's nobody there. Nobody there.
My dad's got to give me a play-by-play on how he pees. Look, man, I don't need a visual. You know when you work out and you like so you don't have to squat so much, you can just like lean back.
Hope that we can get rid of him. Because it's not, it's not funny. I'm not the only one. That Joey, the maintenance guy, he's bending down doing something. He says he sees a shadow, he turns around and there's nobody there. And he knows there's nobody in the firehouse at that time.
Is he here?
Yes.
Yeah, Joey's here.
Joey! Hi, Joe. How are you? I'm Teresa, Nikki's daughter. Do you like seeing and feeling and hearing stuff too?
Yeah. Corner the eye, you see someone walk by. You jump, you look, okay, who's there, and
There's nobody there.
no one there.
Well, I was just told that you lost your mother and your father.
Right.
Because there's a mother and father energy stepping forward.
Okay. I don't really believe in mediums, but I have had things that happened to me while, and worst cases is dry.
First, they lead with my breathing, which means heart, lungs, or chest, where I can take a deep breath.
And it could have been my mom. My mom passed away from a heart attack. She said goodnight to me the night before, and when I came home from work, that's when I found her for talking break. She passed on.
Were you just looking at pictures of your dad or something about some type of war book?
A